Welcome back. Now, before we take a look at the day's business news, let's first take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. And in our top business story, global container terminal operator DP World is investing over $3 billion into its expansion plans. That will see gross capacity jump to 102.6 million 20-foot equivalent units in 2 years, up from 86.8 million. This comes following a 5-year expansion program involving $6 billion since 2007. The announcement came as DP World announced a profit growth of $749 million in its final results for its global portfolio for marine terminals for the year ending 2012 on Wednesday. DP World Chairman Sultan Ahmed bin Sulayem stated that the string of profit results follows a strong performance from its global operations, financial management, and proactive management of assets. Revenues increased by 5% from 2011 to reach $3,121 million, driven by strong growth in the Middle East, Europe, and Africa regions, while net cash from operating activities hit $1,231 million, reducing net debt to $2.9 billion. DP World Chief Executive Mohammed Sharad stated that in 2012 they focused on improved efficiencies in their terminals and that over the next 2 years they will deliver a further 10 TEU of new capacity.
As far as our expansion plans for 2013-2014 is concerned, that we'll continue our expansion. We'll be investing approximately $3 billion in the next 2 years, mainly in Jebel Ali, London Gateway, Rotterdam, and in Embra Port in Brazil. Looking forward, we believe that our business model or strategy is in line and it's continuing to grow. The growth that we have seen in the emerging markets and O&D will continue going forward. Now, at the same time, we've been reading and listening to analysts and specialists in the market that the trade or global economy is not going to be growing as fast as everybody expected. Now, if that happens, we will continue to grow faster than the market. Why is that? The reason is that because our focus being on the emerging market and origin and destination, and we have proven in the past that if the market grows by 1%, our growth would be 1.5 times of that.
The real estate market in Dubai continues to progress steadily as projects multiply. Among these is the new luxury residential development, which will occupy Meydan's south extension. Company officials from Meydan Group and G&Co announced today the launch of the Millennium Estates, a 1.2 billion dirham gated community, which will comprise of 198 luxury villas. According to them, construction work on the development has already started. Meydan's strategic location and ease of access to major spots in the city, including Dubai Mall, Dubai International Airport, business districts and entertainment hubs, make it an ideal choice for numerous projects. Mohammed Nasser Al-Kayat, the head of commercial and free zone at the Meydan Group, said Millennium Estates will add value to their existing developments.
Part of the living component of it is we have Millennium Estates with our partners, G&Co, to develop one of the first gated communities within Meydan City, which I think will also add a big value to our existing developments and our developments that are under constructions. For instance, we have also partnered with Emirates Airline back in 2010, and the expected completion is by the end of 2013 to develop their gated community for their pilots and co-pilots. Meydan does not seek to developing a lot of units, but we like to have quality and not quantity.
G&Co chairman Joseph Gossoub says they are right on track with their schedule, and the completion and delivery date has been set for late 2015. Millennium Estates looks to appeal towards the middle and upper class markets. Villas will come in 3 distinct styles to cater to varying tastes and requirements, and the development will also have common parks and walkways.
This is the demand of the market, actually, and we follow at the end of the day. We answer the demand of the market. Gated communities is what is required. And especially in an area like Meydan, it makes sense to have a gated community because you can call it, you can give it an address, you can give it a name, you can give it a brand, and it's always better.